Hi, this is a recipe video on how to make seared scallops with summer corn and peppers using the New Wave fry pan. First, preheat the fry pan to 375 degrees. While preheating, season the scallops with salt and pepper. When the pan is hot, add oil. Sear the scallops on both sides until golden. Turn over for a minute and then reserve the scallops on a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, add corn and bell pepper. And stir with the vegetables for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon fresh chopped tarragon. When the cook is finished, plate vegetables. Then, take the scallops and arrange them on top. Garnish the dish with Thai basil as a final touch. The seared sea scallops with summer corn and peppers is ready to serve. Enjoy!
New Wave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.